How to look younger and living a longer, healthier life. Hello, radiant souls. Welcome to Look Younger and Living a Longer, Healthier Life, the ultimate destination for all things wellness and vitality. I'm Jane Smith, and today, we're delving into a topic that's on everyone's mind. Achieving younger-looking skin and promoting a longer, healthier life. The feeling of looking young, in mind and soul, is more and more possible nowadays. We're all on a journey to look and feel our best. Today, I've gathered the latest and most concrete 12 tips to help you achieve just that. These tips not only promise a youthful complexion but also contribute to a longer, more vibrant life. So, let's dive into this together. Tip 1. Adopt a plant-based diet for radiant skin. Recent studies highlight the benefits of taking antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, everything found in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Not only does this nourish your skin, but it's also a key player in promoting overall health. Dive into specific nutrients found in plant-based foods and their impact on skin health and longevity. Like spinach, Swiss chard, blueberries, strawberries, almonds, walnuts, quinoa, pumpkin seeds, chia seeds, curcumin, green tea, broccoli, and dark chocolate. Tip 2. Intermittent fasting for cellular renewal. Introduces us to the world of intermittent fasting. This isn't just about meal timings, it's about cellular renewal. By stimulate periods of fasting, stimulates autophagy, a process that clears out old cells and makes way for fresh, youthful ones. Fasting 5 days on 700 to 800 calories, 3 to 4 times a year, contributes to cellular repair and longevity. Tip 3. Mindful sun exposure for vitamin D. When it comes to sun exposure, the latest advice is all about mindfulness. Use sun protection between 30 to 50, with titanium and zinc oxide. Aim for intentional, short bursts of sunlight to boost your vitamin D levels. It's a delicate balance between getting the benefits of the sun and protecting your skin for lasting health. Explore the importance of vitamin D for skin health and overall well-being, along with sun safety practices. Tip 4. Blue light protection for digital age skin. In our digital age, tip number 4 is crucial. Look for skincare products containing ingredients like niacinamide to shield your skin from potential damage caused by extensive screen time. Explore about the effects of blue light on the skin and the importance of incorporating protective measures. Tip 5. Holistic skincare with adaptogens. Skincare products containing adaptogens. Tip number 5 introduces us to the world of holistic skincare. Look for products enriched with adaptogens like ashwagandha and rhodiola. These natural wonders are believed to help your skin adapt to stressors, resulting in a more resilient and youthful complexion. Adaptogens contribute to stress reduction and skin health. Tip 6. Stay hydrated with water and functional beverages. Tip 6 is all about elevating your hydration game. Upgrade your routine with functional beverages containing collagen, hyaluronic acid, and antioxidants. It's about feeding your skin from the inside out, with the right nutritions. Explore about the benefits of functional beverages for skin hydration and health that will help your game. Tip 7. Microbiome-friendly skincare practices. Skincare products emphasizing microbiome support. The latest trend involves using products that support a healthy microbiome. Look for skincare formulations with prebiotics and probiotics to maintain a harmonious balance, resulting in a clear and youthful complexion. Explore importance of the skin microbiome and how microbiome-friendly products contribute to skin health. Tip 8. Rejuvenate your skin with the help of facial gymnastic. Facial gymnastics with originating from the East, an execution of exercises and techniques to eliminate crow's feet, dark circles, sagging face, and adjust the facial oval, based on repetition, toning, and training muscles of the face and neck. This activities offers many benefits such as recovery and maintenance of the tone of the face oval. achieving oxygenation and draining deep tissues, resulting in a healthier-looking skin. There are more than 50 muscles continuous rotation in your face. As the years pass, sagging and face loses its tone to recover and strengthen volumes that is lost over time. But training in the same way as we train the muscles of the body can help. Tip 9. Cold therapy for skin tightening. The benefits of cryotherapy facials or ice rollers is calming inflammations, minimizing pores, enhancing product absorption. Cold therapy boosts circulation, reduces puffiness, and enhances skin firmness, giving you that extra glow. Tip 10. Exercise for better and healthier life. The best exercise is for overall health is a combination of aerobic, strength, flexibility and balance training. Aerobic exercise, cardio. Activities like gym class, walking, running, cycling, swimming, dancing. That increase your heart rate and breathing. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity, or 75 minutes vigorous intensity per week. It can be broken down in at least 30-minute sessions. Flexibility exercises. Stretching exercises that improve flexibility and motion of your muscles and joints. Stretch major muscle groups, 2 to 3 times a week. Hold stretch for 15 to 30 seconds, and repeat 4 to 8 times. Balance exercises. Activities that improve stability and prevent falls, as standing on one leg, heel-to-toe walk, or using stability balls. Include balance exercises as part of your routine, 2-3 times a week. Strength training. Activities that work your muscles, weightlifting, resistance training, and body exercises. Train strength exercises for all major muscle groups 2 to 3 days per week, and allow a day of rest between to recover. Everyday activities. Simple activities like walking instead of driving, walking the stairs or gardening. Include these activities throughout your day. They contribute to overall physical activity and help to maintain an active lifestyle. Rest and recovery. Adequate rest and recovery to prevent overtraining and reduce risk of injury. Ensure that you have at least 1 or 2 days rest per week. Listen to your body, adjust your exercise's intensity or duration. Tip 11. Mind-body practices for stress reduction. Activities we know encourages mind-body practices for stress reduction is Tai Chi, mindfulness meditation, or breathwork. These activities not only reduce stress but also positively impact your skin, minimizing inflammation and promoting youthful glow. Explore the science behind stress reduction and its effects on skin aging. Check out the end of this video. Tip 12. Tech-assisted sleep improvement. In our tech-savvy world, tip number 8. Deliver technology for better sleep. Use sleep tracking devices and apps to monitor and improve your sleep patterns. Quality sleep is not just vital for skin rejuvenation but also for your overall well-being. Explore the role of technology in sleep improvement and share practical tips for optimizing sleep using tech-assisted methods. Thanks for watching. Goodbye from now, and see you soon again. Until then, embrace your youthful glow, inside and out. Incorporating these latest tips can contribute to a holistic approach to both younger-looking skin and an extended, healthier life. Remember to consult with healthcare professionals or skincare experts before making significant changes to your lifestyle. If you found these cool tips enlightening, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment below. Thanks for watching again, and please share your skincare and healthier life journeys, and tell us your thoughts. Don't forget to subscribe for more transformative content. And I'll catch you in the next video. Enchantment Medi Production. 12 tips for better life. 1. Adopt plant-based diet. 2. Intermittent fasting diet for cellular renewal. 3. Mindful sun exposure. 4. Blue light protection. 5. Holistic skin care by adaptogens. 6. Functional beverages. 7. Microbiome-friendly skincare. 8. Rejuvenate your skin with help of facial gymnastic. 9. Cold therapy for skin tightening. 10. Exercise for better and healthier life. 11. Mind-body practice for stress reduction. 12. Tech-assisted sleep improvement.